Next one, solve. There are two questions in it. 2x minus 3 upon 4 minus 2x minus 1 upon 2 equals to x minus 2 upon 3. Solve left hand side first. So LCM is 4. Actually it's done 8, but it can be taken as 4 also. We'll solve this by cross multiplying. You can do it by 2 into 2 4 and LCM is 4, and then also you can solve it. But here I have done is cross multiplied. So 2 into 2x minus 3 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 the whole upon 8 equals to x minus 2 upon 3 as it is. Now don't touch right hand side immediately. So 4x minus 6 minus 8x plus 4, right, the whole upon 8. Solve this again. 4 minus 8 minus 4x minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 upon 8 x minus 2 upon 3 as it is. Take 2 common from this side. Why have we taken 2 common? Because below it's 8. If you would have done it earlier 2 into 4 by LCM, then this step would not have been required. So 2 common. So what remains now? Minus into 2x plus 1 the whole upon 2 1 the 2 4 the whole upon 4 equals to x minus 2 upon 3. So cross multiply now. 3 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equals to 4 into x minus 2. Getting this? Just cross multiplication. Solve this again. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6x minus into plus minus minus 3, then 4x minus 8, right? Take x on one side, minus 6, this 4x goes on this side, it becomes minus 4x, minus 3 comes over here, it becomes plus 3. Minus 6x minus 4x equals to minus 8 plus 3. So minus 10x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus minus gone, 5 upon 10, that is 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2, half. B part we'll solve in the next video number 20. Download Yoguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. One thing I would again suggest, learn tables up to 30, cubes up to 15 and squares up to 30 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them in 3 months. Do it with a discipline. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.